My dear friends, I cordially invite you to first-class dining on board RMS Titanic. She is the pride and joy of the White Star Line, the queen of the ocean, the safest, the largest movable man-made object of our time, and more luxurious than any other ship on this planet.
I'm sorry to bother you, sir. An ice warning.
Dismissed? An ice warning at this early stage of a North Atlantic crossing. Well, I do think the boys in the Marconi room are having too much fun with their new wireless toys. I digress. Where was I? Oh, yes. We set sail on the 15th, 16th and 17th of April from the Ffwrnes theatr Llanelli, and we welcome ladies and gentlemen of the finest stature for a 5-course meal fit for royalty. The passenger boarding bridges will be lowered at 7 p.m. sharp. Once again, I look forward to your presence on board. Yours faithfully, Captain Edward John Smith.